Hey everybody, Chris here, and for today's video, we're going to be diving into a hot topic in the online business world. Kajabi versus Kartra. Which one's better? If you're someone who wants to start a digital business, then you might have been trying to find the right platform for you, and I'm pretty sure you've run into or read about these two platforms at some point. Deciding which one to use is hard, but that's exactly why I'm here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the features of both Kajabi and Kartra so you can compare them and determine which one fits your needs. Aside from tackling this hot topic, I also have a sweet surprise for you later in the video. So make sure you stick around until the end if you don't want to miss out on a special offer. Now, with further ado, let's get started. First off, let's talk about Kajabi. It's marketed as an all-in-one platform that can help content creators and entrepreneurs in selling their digital products. It's been around since 2010, so yeah, it already has a solid reputation. And it's definitely all-in-one thanks to its comprehensive features and beginner-friendly interface. When you log into Kajabi, you'll be greeted with a sleek and intuitive dashboard. Trust me, I haven't seen anything as clean and as simple as Kajabi's homepage. Everything is organized in a way that makes it easy for you to find every function and feature. So, if navigating a website isn't your strongest suit, I believe that Kajabi's easy to navigate interface won't give you any trouble. What's even more impressive about this tool is it has everything you need in one place. You can build a community, improve your marketing and sales, create products, and even build a website. With all these features at your fingertips, managing your business will be a breeze. But hold on, let's shift gears for a while and move on to Kartra. Like Kajabi, Kartra is also an all-in-one platform that's been around since 2018. It's very similar to Kajabi as it also offers website creation, email marketing, automation, digital product creation, and more. It has gained popularity over the years for its flexibility and robust features. Kartra's interface is also user-friendly. However, compared to Kajabi, it has a little bit of a steeper learning curve. And since it's jam-packed with numerous features, it might feel overwhelming and intimidating at first. It might need some getting used to before you can finally enjoy the powerful tools it has to offer in managing your online business. So you might have noticed that by now both platforms are quite similar from interface to features. Now the real question is which one should you choose and what are the key differences between those two? Alright, let me break it down for you. First up, let's compare the ease of use of both these platforms. As I mentioned earlier, Kajabi is well known for having a simple and beginner-friendly design. You don't have to be a tech guy to start or really a tech pro to start using it for your business. With all the resources and tutorials available on the site, you'll be navigating it like an expert in no time. Kartra, on the other hand, can be complex. It's designed to offer its users tons of flexibility and customization features, but it's a steeper learning curve, and that can be a little bit of an issue. Next, we have pricing. This is definitely one of the factors you got to look at before you make your final decision. So I guess this is where things start getting a little more interesting. For Kajabi, the lowest plan they have is the Kickstarter plan, which starts at $69 per month. It comes with 50 landing pages, 1,250 marketing emails, one product, one funnel, 250 contacts, 50 active customers, and one website. Well, that's not bad for a business that's just starting out. Take note that no matter what price tier you choose on Kajabi, you'll still enjoy its Creator Studio, Kajabi AI features, and 0% transaction fees. After the Kickstarter plan, it has the basic plan for $149, the growth plan for $199, and lastly, the Pro plan for $399. The higher the price tier, the more features you can explore. As for Kartra, the lowest plan it has is the starter plan, which starts at $99 per month. This comes with unlimited pages and forms, unlimited email sequences, memberships and calendars, 100 plus funnels, 25,000 contacts, and the Kartra AI. And then followed by the growth plan at $189 per month, and then the professional plan at $429 per month. Each tier's offering advances as the price goes higher. So it seems like both platforms are comparable when it comes to pricing, although Kajabi offers a slightly cheaper entry point. However, you should also remember that this is not all about the money, but about the value the platform has to offer. Now, let's go on to integrations. Both platforms offer seamless integrations with numerous third-party tools. For instance, Kajabi integrates with many popular CRMs, payment gateways, and email marketing tools. With these integrations, you can open up endless possibilities for your business. As for Kartra, you can also enjoy robust integrations to various tools like Zapier and more. And of course, let's not forget about customer support. This one is a deal breaker because if you're an online entrepreneur, you need all the help available. Fortunately, Kajabi brings its A game when it comes to customer support. Its live chat team is available 24/7, and its help center has a huge library of tutorials, videos, and articles. Kartra also offers the same, but with its help desk and extensive knowledge base. However, Kajabi truly shines on this one because unlike Kartra, it has a big and active community where you can get all the needed support from other users. All right, I think we've talked about every important aspect of both platforms, and now it's time for the special offer I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll get a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you'll get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. Perhaps you're now wondering why I am leaning heavily on Kajabi. Well, if you ask me, Kajabi has stood out in most aspects. The overall user experience, customer support, and ease of use. It's what I use myself. With Kajabi, getting started with your online business is easy, especially with a huge community of users who are always ready to help and lend a helping hand. Plus the extra bonuses I mentioned just now. So yeah, it's definitely a no-brainer. To wrap it all up, both Kajabi and Kartra are robust platforms with their own set of advantages. But if you want a platform that's user-friendly with a supportive community, then you can never go wrong with Kajabi. So, have you made up your mind yet? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to click the link in the description to get your 30-day free trial of Kajabi and access to my exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Take care, and I'll see you on the inside.